All right, this is a fireproof document bag. This thing is gonna keep your documents safe from the elements. I mean, even if it's like a flood or whatever, if you have important things, maybe you have your passport, your marriage certificate, some pictures, some insurance claims, things like that. Yeah, you just pop them in here. You could look inside, look at that. It's got that like fire resistant material just all through it. It's very thick. It feels really quality. And yeah, you can put a lot of documents in there. You can see how deep these pockets go, all the way down to there. And then you're gonna zip it up, and then you're gonna fold it over and button it down. And it also has some Velcro on it as well. And I do like that there's this little reflective patch there, so you know if it somehow gets lost and you need a flashlight to find it, you can see it. It'll stand out. The whole thing is pretty much reflective as well with that gray. So really nice quality. You could just tell this thing is going to work. So if you want to keep your documents safe, I actually think this is very important. There's a lot of important things that you want to keep safe from the elements, and this is a great way to do it. So I highly recommend this one right here. It definitely feels quality. You'll feel it in your hands. And thanks so much for watching.